what's up guys? Brandon, BR Services, the gate guy. Getting back to you on this slide gate job. Sorry about the wind, not sure if you can hear me. I'll kind of try to talk a little bit louder. So, change of plans. Talked about that rear pipe track earlier, the previous video, and man, it's funny. I'm going to the truck. Alright. Hope that's better. Anyway, I had my guy come out that's doing the concrete work for me and came up with another plan. I think we're just going to run some like 3-4 inch pipe through the concrete footing. So we'll have a footing, below grade. We'll come up it's actually about 9.5 inches after I lasered it again of a drop. So at the tallest point, that's kind of what we're looking at. But we'll put some 4-inch pipe probably every couple of feet going through there, so any drainage can just go right through. And I don't imagine they're getting a lot of rain. Obviously we are kind of in central coast California, so kind of past our rainy season now, and but you never know. So anyway, that's kind of the plan. Wanted to show you, I got the posts in. Got the guide roller post for the gate to slide through, as well as the catch post. So I'm gonna go out and show you that. Might be kind of windy, so I'll try to talk louder. If not, if the audio sucks, I'll probably just overdub it with my voice or something. So anyway, here we go. So as you can see, I got the guide roller post set. Now my post is level, the chain link post is not, that's why the gap's kind of there. So yeah, got that level. We're going to string line down the fence line. Fence is a little bit crooked, that's okay, because we'll make our stuff nice and straight. But got it on the back, getting ready to do the concrete footing there on Wednesday. Today is Monday. And again, got the catch. This is something new we're doing. Now I always, over here, get my roller post center first. That's obviously crucial for the height, of the gate on the track and all that. So I always set that. And what I do is I usually put my laser on top, right on this top part, shooting across to this guy and basically match it up. So, I like to have about a 1/2 inch or 1 inch down below this top here. But we also slotted this bracket. You can see we got the correct bolts, so we'll get changed. But anyway, to where this can move up and down. So just a little more adjustment. Obviously, if this was all welded and we set it, we gotta be pretty exact, which we normally are. But you know how stuff goes, and just like to have another adjustment anyway. So yeah, anyway, there's the post. Getting ready to do the gooseneck for the keypad. Trench back here across, get it on this side of the fence for my operator stand. That way, we can pour the footing for the gate track and not, have to go underneath it at a later date. And then all this right here going back for the exit probe. If I have time today, I'll do that. If not, I'll do that. So anyway, just want to give you another update video and kind of talk about what we're doing here. I'll put the pipe through the footing, and I have to do the pipe track on that. So, all right, guys, I'll come back with an update once this thing's poured, kind of show you what we did, go from there. All right, have a nice day.